Hey everyone, ever had trouble finding the group policy editor in Windows 10 or 11? Well, worry no more. In this video, I'll show you how to enable it. Let's dive in. First, open Notepad and write this code. If you need the code, you can find it in the link provided in the description. Simply copy the code from there and paste it into Notepad. Paste the code into Notepad, then go to File and choose Save. Give it any name. Just make sure it ends with .bat like this. For example, code.bat. Save it wherever you want. Next, find the file you just saved. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, restart your PC. Now search for Run and open the Run command. Type gpedit.msc and click OK. The group policy editor is now activated. I hope you found this video helpful. Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech solutions.